cross-chain swaps in a snap. By cross-chain mining or trading, you can get the highest profit among multiple chains. You can complete cross-chain transactions complexly through traditional centralized exchanges, but it required 4 to 6 steps and around 10 minutes. You can also complete cross-chain rigidly with cross-chain bridge by selecting the target chain supported tokens, but it takes 3 to 5 minutes to get finished generally and has limited supported tokens. Now, via iSwap, you can complete your cross-chain swaps up to 3 seconds by just a simple click. Same with single-chain transactions. You just need to select the tokens you want to swap in and out on iSwap.com. Enter the quantity, and then just a simple click. It is that simple. The cross-chain transaction is done. iSwap. Cross-chain swaps in a snap.